And this is Joseph Graham. This video is for First Choice Drywall Repair. I don't think you're actually located in the city, but check it out. So this is a heat map, and when someone is searching online for a service that you offer, let's just say drywall, they're going to get results, right? And these businesses in the top 3 results in these map listings right here get 70% of the calls, which means if you're not, 1, 2, or 3, you're missing out on a lot of phone calls. And just by running your heat map, by running your map listing, we put your actual GMB into the system, and this is pretty accurate. So for whatever reason, you're showing up number 1, 2, 3, and like by Holly Springs or Acworth. So we got Morris, Calderon, and then First Choice, right? But let's just say somebody like by Sandy Springs does a search, the same search. They're going to see these top 3 businesses, and these top 3 businesses are going to get the first phone calls. So you really want to be green 1, 2, and 3 in like as many areas as you possibly can. Because what this does is it generates more calls and you can make more sales. And in the next video, I'm going to break down how to do that.